Almost every F-150 owner eventually faces the tailgate step that refuses to open, as if it's making a stand against you and all your weekend plans. The step is right there, but just won't budge. Annoying barely covers it. I get it. This thing was supposed to make unloading groceries or helping your buddy move his couch super easy, but when it jams, it turns into a 30-minute YouTube search spiral. I've been there, toolkit out, patience at zero. Usually this happens because dirt, water, and road grime gets caked into the mechanism. Ford tailgates love to collect everything from dust to pine needles. It's almost like their hobby, right alongside rust. The first step is to lower the tailgate fully. Some people think you need fancy skills or hidden knowledge, but sometimes it's as simple as checking if there's extra cargo putting pressure on the latch. Too much weight can lock it up. If your tailgate is empty and still won't open, check the yellow release handle. It's usually near the edge, inside the tailgate. Push on it with a solid, deliberate motion. Sometimes folks just don't pull it far enough or in the right direction. Should that handle feel loose or offer no resistance, chances are a cable inside snapped or has come off its mount. This happens more often than you'd think, especially after a rough winter or lots of dust storms. Now, here's where it gets fun. Remove the plastic trim on top of the tailgate using a Torx screwdriver. Most people skip this, thinking it's overkill, but 90% of stuck step problems are hiding under this trim. Once the trim is off, you'll see the cable and linkage system. 9 times out of 10, something's jammed with debris or slightly off its alignment track. Clean everything out with compressed air. Pro tip, a $5 can of compressed air works wonders here. Next, carefully lubricate the components with a silicone-based spray. Avoid WD-40. It's good for about 3 days, then attracts more dirt. Silicone spray actually repels grime and lasts about 60 days, way less time spent crawling around in the dirt. Try the yellow handle again. If it still refuses to cooperate, the latch itself might be rusted or seized. Hit the latching points with more spray, then work the mechanism manually a few times. Persistence pays off. About 40% of stuck steps fix on this round. If all else fails, you may need to replace that mess of cables or the entire step latch assembly. Ford parts average about $60, and if you're moderately handy, install time is under an hour. Don't let mechanics fleece you for diagnostic time. The final power move, add a plastic tailgate cover or use gaffer tape to keep dirt out of the step mechanism. Do this, and you'll cut your yearly maintenance time by half. Trust me, an ounce of prevention here saves you a mountain of headache later.